Hello, I'm gonna attempt to show you how I'm cleaning my dryer thing. This is nasty. First of all, look at it. I just took it off. Look at the amount of nastiness stuck. This was on the inside. So yeah, I'm not too happy about this. I just went and got a little trash can. So wish me luck. I got this big long hose thing. This thing supposedly hooks up to a drill. We'll see how well this works. And then you put it, it's got this big thing. I got it on Amazon, and you have to screw all these little pieces together, which I guess is kind of nice because it stores easily for some people. But anyway, so wish me luck. So I have this theory, okay, that if you just cram the thing all the way in my opinion, you're just going to shove all that stuff back up towards your dryer, which seems like not a good idea. So my theory is I'm going to go in like a little bit at a time. So go in, you know, just a foot or two, and then pull it out and then clean it. And then go in a little further, pull it out and clean it. So, I don't know. If you want to watch, you're welcome to watch. Wish me luck. I don't know how long my phone's even going to last. I'm trying to set my phone up here. Here goes nothing. Oof. Okay. I don't know how well you can even see me. So I just went in like a little bit already, and then I pull it out, and there's a ton of stuff. So then I'm going to go, you know, like maybe 2 lengths, and then pull it out. This is gross. I haven't done it in like, I literally just bought this thing. We've lived here for 7 years, and I've never, I don't know, I did it one time with a short snake that my neighbor let me borrow, but I've never done it with this like super long snake. I am a little worried that some part of the snake is going to like break off inside of there. In fact, I'm looking at my my pieces. Look like they're kind of becoming unscrewed as I go. I have to make sure this is not going to fall apart. The last thing I want is a chunk stuck inside of there. So that's a little bit of a challenge right now. It's like every piece I get to, I have to spin it. I don't know. I don't really know what I'm doing. I should have watched a YouTube video, but I figured I would just wing it. I can't believe the amount of crap that's in here. Jeez. I don't know, you're supposed to hook it up to the drill, but in my opinion, my method's better. I don't know. Because I want to keep pulling out little chunks. Another idea is to go and turn the dryer on inside the house. So that would hopefully blow some of it out. Of course, I don't really want to be standing here. I don't know, maybe I'll videotape it. Yeah, maybe I should go do that. I don't know how long my video is even going to last because it's, oh shoot, my whole like thing came undone. Uh-oh. Oh, I'm trying to get to the point where I'm not sure I can go any further. Quite a bit of crap. So yeah, supposedly this is one of the main causes of fires. There's all this stuff stuck up here, and I'm really good about cleaning my lint thing every time. You know, we're both, Chad and I are both really good. We clean it every single time. It's amazing how much lint can go past the lint screen. At some point this is going to get to where it won't go any further, and I think I might be there, but I feel like I'm nowhere near the dryer. So I don't don't know. Maybe it needs to. I don't know. Maybe that's probably as long as I can get it. All right, so I'm going to go in the house and turn the dryer on. I'll probably clean all this with like a broom. Yuck. All right, I'm going to go videotape this. This will be kind of funny, I guess. Push me back. Oof. Okay, I'm back. I'm anxious to watch this video. So I put this on just air heat because I didn't want all of the heat. It's like 90-something degrees outside today. I didn't want this thing blowing hot air at me. Sometimes I just do this with a broom too. Outside here. I'll get the broom in a minute. Anyway, so I don't know if it'll work better with that thing blowing. We'll see. I'm not super keen about these things falling apart. And I don't know if I should use the drill or not. I mean, I guess it couldn't hurt. It looks pretty clean though. I mean, I guess I'll try the drill. Might just be a gimmick to try to sell. All right, so here goes the drill option. When I'm all done, I'll do a quick video of what's on the ground. I feel like Bob Vila. Okay. Here goes nothing. Alright, so I'm just gonna turn the drill on and then slowly pull back. So I got it to the point where I can't go any further. Alright, wish me luck. I don't think I really got much more with the drill than without the drill, but it wasn't difficult. So that's my little movie. So I got this much was just stuck in the thing, in that thing, and then you can see how much I was able to pull out. That's it. It wasn't actually as bad as I thought it was going to be. I thought I'd be covered in dirt. Anyway, hope you guys are having a good day, and good luck. If you want, I'll put a link as to the product I bought. Oh, and the other stuff, I bought another product for inside. That one didn't work as well. I couldn't get it. It's like a vacuum that goes down into your vent where your lint thing is. and I couldn't even get it to go. It wouldn't bend in mine, so whatever. But I'll go turn this off. Okay, bye.